link to external pages with anchor elements. So you can use anchor elements to link to content outside of your web page. Anchor elements need a destination web address called an href attribute. They also need anchor text. Here's an example. So we have an A tag, and again we have an opening tag and a closing tag, and then we use an attribute called an href, which is equal to this URL. And we have some text inside the A tag, which is this links to FreeCodeCamp.org. So then your browser will display the text. This links to FreeCodeCamp.org as a link you can click, and that link will take you to the web address, www.freecodecamp.org. So create an A element that links to http freecatphotoapp.com and has cat photos at its inner text. Okay, so it doesn't say exactly where to put it. So it just says create an A element that links to that. So I'm not sure exactly where they want. I'm gonna imagine that it's like here, since there's that little spacing. Let's see here, create an A element that links to free cat photo app and has, well, I guess we're just gonna put it down here. Okay, so to create an A tag, right, or an anchor tag as it's called, first we want to create the opening and closing tag. Okay, then kind of like our image where we put in a source attribute, this one has a different attribute called href. I'm actually not 100% sure what href stands for. If I find it, I will tell you all about that. But for now, just know that whatever link that we put inside here, whatever web address like google.com, Facebook, or a link to a very specific page on Wikipedia, that's what we would put in here, right? So in this case, what they want us to do is they want us to set it to http freecatphotoapp.com. So let's go ahead and copy it. Copy space, and make sure that there's no spacing like here. So it starts off just right at HTTP, okay? And so what you'll see is we actually don't see it here on our web page, and that's because kind of like our paragraph text right here, where you're not going to see it if there's nothing in it, right? We know that there's another paragraph tag, but there's no text in it, right? So when we create a paragraph text and we put in some text like hello, it's going to show up right there, or hello. All right, and the same thing is going to be with our anchor tag, right? Except this time we want to put it right between the opening and closing tag, and this is where our text will go. And they want us to say cat photos. So now whenever the user comes over here and they hover over it, you'll notice that our mouse actually changes, like from a pointer to a, I think this is actually called a pointer. And I think this is called a cursor. I'm not 100% sure what the words are, but we'll go ahead and just say that whenever we hover over it, it turns into a clickable hand to let the user know that they can click on this. So let's go ahead and click on it. And it was actually blocked trying to load some scripts, but basically this would take us to freecatphotoapp.com. So let's go ahead and run the test and walk on that sunshine.